Hey everyone, it's me, taking a quick break up here in the mountains. This place is absolutely stunning, but one wrong move and it's a long way down.
All right, guys, this is it. The trail ahead, steep, wild, and pure adrenaline. I'm going full speed to the end, just the mountain and me. Hold on tight.
That's it for first video, guys.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe down below. If you could cycle anywhere in the world, what's your dream location? Give us a suggestion in the comments section below.